Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to solve the error of explicit content on iOS apps like Podcast and iTunes. As you can see, I have opened the Podcast app and it doesn't let me play this podcast as it gives me an error that is your administrator has turned off the explicit content. So let me show you again with another example. I have opened the podcast app again with different podcast, and when I click on the subscribe it gives me the same error. As you can see, same error comes when I try to subscribe to this podcast also. To fix this, what you have to do is go in settings, then go in screen time, then go in privacy restrictions, and then click on content restrictions. Then you can see content restrictions of different things like music, podcast and news, music profiles and post, books, etc. As my podcast app was giving error, so let's go in music, podcast and news and then select the explicit. Here you go, you have solved your error, and if you try to subscribe to any podcast now, you will be able to subscribe it.